Hello everyone, my name is Amitwani and today we're gonna check out DecipherIt. So this is I have created for my Dev 2 hackathon submission. So it's an hackathon on building on top of Bright Data. So Bright Data is a wonderful platform where we can extract data from the web very easily. We can spawn up different remote browsers. We can also use their MCP server. So in my case, I have used the Bright Data MCP server and created the DecipherIt. So DecipherIt is basically a Google's Notebook LM inspired research assistant. It has few more stuff than Notebook LM, but it is heavily inspired by Notebook LM. So the thing powering the DecipherIt are uh, the main core of it is the Bright Data MCP server, which gives us access to the web and all the knowledge from the web. And then orchestrating and using this MCP server, we have like I have used CrewAI's Cruise and Agent. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll first log in into my account. You can just create one for yourself. By the way, this is open source code. So I have now signed in. So this is my homepage, a dashboard where I can see my different notebooks as I am seeing here, and we can add as many as notebook as possible. So let's create one of the notebook. So here, like there are multiple ways to inject sources here. So there are like you can just write a research topic, any keyword, then the CrewAI agent and Bright Data MCP server will like search the web and scrape the data from all the important and relevant sources, and then do all its magic. Another way is you can manually add articles here. You can add text here. Say you can add text like this. You can add any URL. Let's say I add my X ID. Yep, I can add any file here, PDF, docs, PPT, whatever, and I can click on decipher it. I'm not doing that for now. I will go for the topic. Let's say uh, take AI trends. So I will just write this topic and hit decipher it. Now it will create the notebook, and on in the background it will start the research task. So I will get back to you when this is done. Hello, welcome back. So the decipher it has finished the processing of this topic which I have given it to him, agentic AI trends and leaders in 2025. It has updated the title as well, agentic AI trends and leaders in 2025, a comprehensive analysis. Uh, so we have now five different section tabs here. You can see there is summary, there is mind map, audio overview, decipher with chat, and FAQs. So let's see, go through them one by one. So first is decipher summary. So here is all the summary it has gathered from different sources. As you can see here, it has also given the citations at the right points with links to the particular articles. You can see. So yeah, so all this has been done through Bright Data MCP server, which help to search on this topic and like scrape all these different articles and results. And then we have a Crew AI agent, and I have kept Gemini 2.0 Flash as LLM, which which works to synthesize all this raw data and transform it into a deciphered summary, a kind of a blog post with different sections we have, and a structured way of uh, of going through all this information. But maybe you want to dig deep into this information, so there you can even chat with this information. So you are not just chatting with this summary here, you're chatting with all the sources with raw data which has been stored in the in a vector DB. So I have used Qdrant here as a vector database, and like I can uh, ask something which documenting. So if the our data has this answer, then it might give us that answer. Okay, let's see. So here are the top agentic AI framework relevance. AI CrewAI is also here, and yeah, so it also it will always give us sources from where it is uh, picking this information and presenting it to us. So maybe this was not presented here, right? It was not presented here, right? But even if I asked that question, it was able to give the answer. Similarly, we have some FAQs as well, which is also derived from the raw data. So it can be similar to the summary and maybe different as well. But we have a 10 FAQs here, and also here also we have citations properly. So from where it is getting all this information, you can find it right here, and we can even verify it if you want. Then we have another feature called mind map. So mind map and audio overview, these are the two uh, interesting features we have. But these are on demand features. So if we whenever we want the mind map, you can just click on generate mind map, and it will start generating in the background. You can come later and check if it is done or not. Similarly, we have audio overview. We can even This will also generate in the background. So this will create a 3 to 5 minute long podcast and style of conversation, and this is similar to the famous Notebook LM's podcast style conversations. So this is our take on it. This is my take on it, and let's see when this mind map and audio overview is finished. So yeah, guys, welcome back. So now the mind map and audio overview both have finished processing. So we will first check out the mind map. So it's basically has created a mind map starting from this one primary node, root node, and then we have nested multiple levels of node. We have kept it up to 5 levels of nodes. So like we have platform and technologies, then we have trends and predictions, industry application implementation considerations, and then in each one of them we have platform features and all that. Then DIY frameworks, we have key platforms, and then all the platforms listed here. So all these are basically a top to bottom level of hierarchy of flowchart, you can say, which can be used for diving deep into a particular topic. So maybe you want to check personalized treatment in healthcare. This is one of the application of AI agent platforms, and you can go deep into it by asking it in the chat that I want to learn more about this stuff. So that's how maybe I will use the mind map. Another one which we had an audio overview. So it has created a 7 minute long conversation here, which is kind of a longer, but I will play a few seconds for you, and you can listen like how it is. Welcome to the DecipherIt podcast, where we break down complex tech topics. Today, we're diving into agentic AI. I'm your host, Michael, and I'm joined by Sarah, an expert in AI and automation. Sarah, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Michael. Excited to discuss this.
Sarah, can you give us a quick overview of what agentic AI is and how it differs from traditional AI or automation?
Sure, agentic AI goes beyond simple automation. It's about AI systems that autonomously understand goals, plan processes, use tools, and adapt dynamically. Think of it this way. Traditional automation is like a robot following a preset path, while agentic AI is like giving that robot a goal and letting it figure out the best way to get there.
So it's more than just a prompt-based copilot or rule-based system. So yeah, as you heard it, so it's a kind of a podcast style conversation between two people, where one person is a host and another person is the expert in this topic. And maybe if you don't want to go through all this stuff, you can just listen to this 5 6 minute conversation and maybe get crux of the matter. So these are all the current features of the DecipherIt. We have summary, mind map, audio overview. You can chat with it. There are some FAQs. Maybe we can add much more features in the later stuff uh, in the future. Another way which I haven't shown you in this video to create a notebook is you can add your own files and text and URLs, and that will also work. That will also create all the similar stuff. And yeah, that is it. So you can, if you like this project of mine, you can go to the GitHub. It is in the I have given the link in the description. You can go to the GitHub. You can start it, fork it on, maybe even report issues. You can contribute on this. So yeah, if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out on my Twitter DMs. And yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you like this project and like this content. Thank you. Bye.